Here's a really quick look at some Outwurx folding grocery panniers for bikes and e-bikes. So if you need a set of folding baskets for your bike, this is a great option. There's a link in the description if you want some of these. I've also done a more extensive review that you can find online as well. So first of all, they fold down flat and they have these Velcro straps. That's important. Some of these styles bags don't have those Velcro straps to help hold it in place. So it rides on there on two little hooks, and then the Velcro straps keep it from hopping off. If you buy one that doesn't have those straps, then it'll just jump off your bike. And then the hooks can be moved around to fit various bike racks. You can reposition the hooks depending on what kind of bike rack. So they should be universal because of that. And then there's a little hook on elastic that you use to hook to the bottom of the bike. And there's even a loop included with the bag that you can use to hook the hook to if your bike doesn't have anything hookable. And then you just unsnap the little retaining straps and then snap them to the back to open up your bag when you're ready to haul some groceries like that. It is a literal snap to open up. And inside you get a grocery bag with handles. There's also a strap that you can use to carry it over your shoulder as well. And then it's got clips on it, so you can even clip it to the basket itself so it won't blow out of the basket if you're riding around with not much in it. So that gives you an option to keep it secure. And then once your groceries are in there, you can zip it tight so your oranges don't bounce down the road while you're riding home. And that is what it looks like, the Outwurx folding grocery pannier set from Outwurx. And there are a lot of little loops on there that you can hook things onto if you need to tie your cargo down, or you could even hang a coffee cup from it if you wanted to. And then there's a big reflective band around the side there that you can see that really lights up the night as well. So you are safe at night when you're riding at night with your Outwurx grocery bags.